Hello everyone, this is Gomati Shankar. I'm happy to meet you all in Bank Nifty review. So thank you all my dear 22.2k subscribers. I thank each and every one of you right from the bottom of my heart. So share this video to all your friends, share my YouTube channel to all your trading circle. Let them learn price action clearly. This is the right way to learn price action trading. So before going to our Bank Nifty review, this is a kind and friendly warning. You can consider me as your mentor, you can consider me as your brother, you can consider me as your friend. Take it as a kind warning. Don't get trading tips or calls or intraday levels from anybody, okay? Because this is a real market. Nobody can tell the next ball will be full toss. Nobody can tell the next ball will be a short pitch ball. Nobody can tell that. And don't give your client ID and password to anybody to trade on your behalf. Even though if they are your friends, please don't give your client ID and password to trade on your behalf. And don't give your money to any unauthorized PMS service providers. Okay, they will blow up your entire capital. So please don't try these shortcuts. Now previously we saw Bank Nifty review for 22 and 23. Now we will see what happened in Bank Nifty after 23rd. A quick review only, I will not take much time. See, on 24 Bank Nifty was stuck in between previous day low as well as S1. If you see here, it was stuck in between S1 and previous day low. This is S1 and this is previous day low. Since it was stuck in between two levels, there is no possibility of taking any trade. Okay, it's coming down, it's going up, and again it's coming down, and again it's going up. Here it is giving a break. Okay, here it is giving a break, but it is a little risky to take a trade for a small profit. It is little risky for a retail trader to go for a small scalping. That is little risky, so better avoid. Once again, if you see, now here it is going in a sideways range. Now again here it is a breakdown. Now again going for a small scalping in this area is risky. For a retail trader, it is a risky trade, so please avoid. So whenever market is stuck in between these levels, some particular levels, better avoid that particular day, because these are the days retail trader without any knowledge he will enter and he will be stuck. He will be stuck and he will be losing the trade. So on 24th, according to my CPR analysis, it is a no trade zone. Now on 27th, market is going up. See, if you are seeing on 27 and 28, market is going up. That is actually a trap. Okay, I will give you a valid reason for telling it as a trap. See here. See, actually this is a descending CPR. Those who have not watched my ascending and descending CPR video, you can watch it. So this is a descending CPR. What happens in a descending CPR? In a descending CPR, the market is supposed to go down. In a descending CPR, the market is supposed to go down. The market is supposed to be bearish. But here what's happening? Market is breaking R1 and previous day high. Market is breaking R1 and previous day high. In my videos, I have told you can go long if R1 and previous day high is broken. You can go short S1 and previous day low is broken, right? But now see clearly on 27. Okay, I will show you the trend of Bank Nifty in daily and 1 hour chart. Already I have posted in my Telegram channel a lot of chart examples. If you see this, see here Bank Nifty is going in a triangle pattern. Okay, it is going in a particular range. Okay, see here Bank Nifty is going up, again it's coming down. It's going up and again it's coming down. It's going up and again it's coming down. So if you look at Bank Nifty technically, see on 27th, see 27th candle is here. Can you see? This small candle is 27th. So this candle, this 27th day candle, look at here, it is stuck in between the range. Clear? It is stuck in between the range. So if market is going up, it is literally a risky trade because market is weak. See, you all know what is happening in our country because of coronavirus. The global market itself is weak. Okay, so if market is going up, it is not because of the bull trend. Okay, that is a fake trend. Okay, that is a fake uptrend. Okay, the real bull trend has not yet started. So if market is going up, please be cautious while taking the entry. Okay, please be cautious while taking the entry. And another one thing, beginners don't trade in these kind of uptrend days because market is weak. When market is weak, you can blindly go for a short opportunity, but don't go for a long opportunity. That is very important. So now if we come back to 5 minutes chart, now let us look at 5 minutes chart on 27th. Now here, now market is going up. These are trap. Okay, I will show you. See, these are literally trap for the retail traders. If you see both the days, if you compare both the days, you will understand that. See here. See, R1 previous day high is broken. Now, literally what happens, people will go long after seeing this green candle. Your stop loss will be somewhere around the 50% of R1 and previous day high. At the 50% your stop loss will be hit. Now your stop loss is hit completely. Now what people will do, again people will go long for, after seeing this green candle, again people will go long. Their stop loss will be somewhere around, again the same 50% or somewhere around here. Okay, now what happens, market will create a fake uptrend and again market will come down. Okay, after that we will be getting a repeated shuffling candles. What are shuffling candles? Shuffling candles means repeated red and green candles are called as shuffling candles. See here, we are getting a repeated red and green candles, which is literally called as shuffling candles. So it's better to avoid. Once again what happens, a fake Bahubali candle appears. See here, this is what people will think. People will think this is a Bahubali candle and they will go for a long position. But again the market will come down and it will trap the retail traders. So the lesson which you are going to learn on 27th April is, don't go long even if R1 and previous day high is broken in a weak market. In a weak market, don't go long even if R1 previous day high is broken. If you are going long, you should be a experienced trader, because only an experienced trader can manage and he can put up his psychology and other methods, price action methods, to take a trade. So beginners, please avoid 27th also. Okay, that is not a good opportunity to trade. Literally your stop loss is hit on 27th day. Okay, that is not a proper successful trade. Your stop loss is hit on 27th. Now let us see what happened on 28th. See, 28th also, the gap up market was literally a trap. See, market is showing a gap up. Look at the first candle. It is having a very big lower wick. After seeing a lower wick and after seeing a couple of green candles, what people will do? People will think the bulls are gaining some momentum. The bulls will fly suddenly. So they will go for a long position. Now again, who is trapped? The retail trader is trapped. Who is trapped? The retail trader is trapped. Now market is going up and again it's coming down. Now again a retail trader is trapped. Okay, and again if you see here, market is going up and it is creating a fake uptrend, so that retail traders will take a long position. They will carry forward a long position. Okay, the market is trapping the retail traders. The market is going up just to trap the retail traders, so that the retail trader will create a fake. The retail trader, what he will do, he will think market will go up and he will take a long position. The next day what happens, market will fall. So on this day, what I will tell, even though if there is a narrow CPR, market was not trending because the real trend is weak. The real trend is bearish market, and here the candles are going up. That is a fake uptrend. That is a fake uptrend. And still, if you look at the daily chart, Bank Nifty is going inside a range. If you look at daily chart of Bank Nifty, it is still inside a range. So you are supposed to not touch the candles if they are inside a range. Okay, if they are inside a range, you are supposed to not touch the candles, because see, 27 is here and 28 is here. So literally don't go for any long position on 27 and 28. It is a fake and it is a trap one. This is what happened on 27 and 28. If you are taking position on 27 and 28, literally a stop loss is hit. What people will do, see, as a retail trader perspective, after seeing the first 2-3 green candles, definitely we will go for a long position. Definitely we will go for a long position. But what happens, what we will do, we will keep our stop loss a little below R2. And finally what happens, our stop loss is hit. Okay, now what people will do, they will take a counter position. But as soon as they take a counter position in this red candle, market will create a low and again it will reverse. Okay, so this is literally a trap for a retail trader, and few people they took trade based on this trend line breakout. Okay, see, you can take the trade based on trend line breakout, but be sure you book your profit quickly at R3. Okay, the problem with retail trader is he will not book the profit, he will wait for more profits. Okay, he will be too greedy and he will be waiting for a long time. So what I will tell is, if you are looking for any trend line breakouts in 5 minutes chart, of course you can use in 5 minutes chart, but book some quick profit and exit. Don't wait for some huge profits. Clear? So literally for a retail trader on 27th also, it is a stop loss hit and it is not a proper trade and it is not a good market for trading. Now here on this particular day on 29th, once again, if you are seeing on 29th, here market is taking support at CPR. Market is taking support at CPR and market is going in a sideways range inside R1 and previous day high. See, previously market was taking support at CPR. It was going in a sideways range inside previous day high as well as CPR. And finally what happened, market is going inside a sideways range of previous day high and R1. Now there is a sudden momentum in the green candles. This is called as Bahubali candle, right? This is called as Bahubali candle. Of course you can go for a long position, but you should get out at R1, R2. So you should get out at R2. You should be very quick in booking the profit to come out at R2. Clear? So in this particular day, according to me, see, you are getting an entry after 2 o'clock only. After 2 o'clock you are getting an entry, but will a retail trader will wait for 2 o'clock? No. What he will do, he will jump into a trade. After seeing this red candle, a retail trader will think market will go down to CPR, so he will go for a short and he will be trapped. Okay, and after looking here, see here, resistance is turning into a support. After seeing this, immediately a retail trader will take a trade around this particular candle. But literally what happens, again it is going in a sideways range and it is giving you a premium decay. It is giving you a premium decay, and that too on Wednesday it is giving a lot of premium decay. On April 29 Wednesday, it is a pure premium decay day. Okay, and after that only you are getting a Bahubali candle. You can trust the Bahubali candle and you can book your profit somewhere around R2. Okay, so this is how candles gain a sudden momentum. Other than this, there is no entry, and don't take any entries also. And if you look at this red color line, this is the line which I drawn in the daily chart. This is the resistance which I have drawn in the daily chart. As soon as this resistance is broken, look at the reversal. Reversal is happening perfectly at R3. See here, reversal is happening perfectly at R3. But since it has crossed 2 o'clock, you have to book your profit. You have to enter here and you have to book your profit here. Okay, So don't wait for R3 and all. That is risky for a retail trader. That is risky for a retail trader. So don't wait for a long time. Exactly at the daily resistance, this particular red line market reversed. Clear? Now, if you look at today, if you look at 30th, see on 30th what happened is, again market is giving a gap up just to trap the retail trader, so that the retail trader will take a long position. See here, on once again I will show the daily chart. See on 30th, it is creating a gap up market, it is creating a fake gap up. See here, this candle, this doji candle is on 30th. This is the doji candle which formed on 30th. In the morning, it is opening in a gap up manner just to trap the retail traders. Now, retail traders, what they will do? Oh my God, this resistance is broken. So let me go for a long position, and the retail trader will go for a long position. Okay. Now, if you go through the 5 minutes chart, the retail trader is easily trapped and is smashed by the institutional players. See, whenever you are going for a long position now in this present situation, remember coronavirus is still there in India. It is still there in the world. There is no vaccine or there is no any medication for this coronavirus. So if market is going up here, see, it is a fake trap. See, market is going up beautifully, creating a fake trap. Now immediately all the retail traders are trapped. See here, immediately all the retail traders are trapped. Within 15 to 20 minutes, everything is done. All the retail traders who took their long position here, they are smashed in this 10, 15, 20 minutes. Clear? This is why I tell retail traders, please wait patiently. This is a weak market. If you are taking long position, please be careful. Okay, you will be trapped. What people will do, they will take a long position. After seeing the second green candle, they will be keeping their stop loss below day low. Now you should book your profit at R2. The problem is they will not book their profit at R2. Okay, and premium decay will happen. Now after seeing this, see, resistance is turning into a support. Again they will take a long position. They will take 2 3 lots or 5 lots or 10 lots in long position, like a hero or zero call they will take. Now suddenly what happens? Everything is done and dusted within 15 to 20 minutes. So purely 30th it is a trap. 30th it is a trap. Now the trap is easily visible today. See here, retail traders are trapped on 30th. Okay, now market is giving a huge fall. This is the truth of market. This is the real trend of market. This is the real phase of market. Okay, 800 points down in Bank Nifty. This is the true phase of market. Okay, but what we are thinking, what retail traders are thinking, they are thinking market will go up. See, repeatedly we are getting ascending CPR just to trap the retail trader. A repeated ascending CPR we are getting, and a repeated fake uptrend it has been created just to trap the retail trader, and everything is done and dusted. A retail trader is totally smashed in this gap down. Now, since the real trend of the market is weak, see, can you see this trend line? This trend line I have drawn in daily chart, and it can be viewed in 1 hour chart also. See here. So as soon as you see the first red candle, you can go for a short. Your target will be this trend line, because this trend line is being respected for a long time. See here. And once again we can expect the candles to take support at this trend line. So can you see this clearly? So when you see the first red candle itself, you can go for a short, because your target is here. See, exactly at the trend line market is sitting today. Exactly at the same trend line. Even I can show you in daily chart for more clear view. See, exactly at the trend line market is sitting. This is no magic at all, a pure trend line analysis only. I think I posted at the right time about this trend line strategy. I posted this trend line strategy at the right time, and I have got a good views on this particular video also. 18K views in 6 days. Okay. So this is the powerfulness of trend line. Okay. So only see whatever I am telling you in this review video, don't think I am telling some story. Whatever I am telling you is done by me and my students. So far I have taught more than 800 plus retail traders. So far I have taught more than 800 retail traders. Okay. Whatever I am telling in my Bank Nifty review is followed in live market by me and all my 800 students. Okay. So this is a serious price action strategy which I am giving you for your knowledge purpose, and you have to become aware of this technical analysis and price action. As soon as we see the first red candle, we went for a short. We went for a short because we know our target is here. We know our target is here. Okay. So we booked our profit at previous week low itself. This is previous week low. We booked our profit at previous week low itself. The reason is already we are in huge profit at this particular fall. In this particular fall, already we are in huge profit. Okay. Now market is going in a choppy manner. After that there is a trend line breakout. Once again in 5 minutes chart, after that there is a trend line breakout. Here only a retail trader will enter. Because in the morning, after seeing a huge gap down, retail trader will be afraid to take position here. Retail trader will be afraid to take a position here. So what a retail trader will do, he will not trade in this particular area. He will trade in this Bahubali candle breakout only. He will trade in this Bahubali candle breakout only. See this red candle breakout. So a retail trader will take a late entry, but we completed our trade in this particular point itself. We completed our trade here itself, but a retail trader will enter here for a small profit. Clear? So this is the bank. So that's all, my dear people. So I want you all to share this video to all your trading circle. Okay, if you're having any doubts, you post it in the comment section. Thank you. Bye.